We'll guide you through how to connect VS Code Copilot to Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you already have VS Code installed on your computer. After that, open your VS Code application. Navigate directly to the left sidebar and firmly click on the extensions icon, which looks exactly like 4 detached squares. Next, type Unity into the search bar conveniently located at the absolute top of the panel and click Install on the official Unity extension. Now, safely minimize your VS Code window completely and open your main Unity Hub application to efficiently create a new project. Give your new project a title, such as VS Code Setup or anything else you prefer, and patiently wait for the main Unity editor software to fully load. Once the active Unity project is open on your screen, click directly on the window menu located in the top navigation bar. Scroll down the drop-down list and select Package Manager to successfully open the main Package Manager window. In the top left corner of the Package Manager interface, make absolutely sure the main drop-down option is explicitly set to Packages Unity Registry. Use the provided search bar to find the Visual Studio Editor package and confidently click the prominent Install button located on the bottom right corner. Next, click on the Edit menu situated on the top navigation bar and select Preferences to open your main project settings. Navigate directly to the External Tools tab located on the left sidebar of the Active Preferences window. Locate the External Script Editor drop-down menu right at the top of the main panel and select Visual Studio Code securely from the list. To perfectly verify everything is actively working right now, safely go straight down to your main project window and double-click on any standard .cs C# code script file. If the chosen file automatically opens directly inside your VS Code workspace, you have successfully completed the entire initial setup process. After successfully completing that, you can efficiently connect your active VS Code application directly with Copilot by simply logging into GitHub Copilot securely using the specific icon located directly in the bottom right panel. After successfully logging into the platform today, simply try actively communicating directly with the Copilot interface to properly verify the new connection, and you are all finally completely done.